list 5 items a day and sell 4 items a day, I'll take that. Welcome to Matt's Profit Pursuit. I'm Matt. I'm a part-time reseller and I sell on eBay. Make what sold videos so you see what's selling right now on eBay and break down those sales so you can see exactly how much is made after fees, cost of goods, shipping, and taxes are taken out. Got 8 orders going out today. Let's see what sold. This vintage Montana pennant, made in USA. I paid 10 cents for this pennant and it sold for $16.19 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $21.19, and after fees and shipping, I get $12.40. This redhead button-up American flag shirt. I've had this shirt for over a year. I bought it at a retail Goodwill for $8, thinking it would sell around 4th of July. It never sold. It finally sold now that it's in fall for $13.45 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $21.22, and after fees and shipping, I get $9.79, so I barely scraped out a profit on this one. This is a good brand, Pendleton. They make expensive flannels. This one, I believe, even had some damage on it. Oh yeah, right here on this armpit. Hopefully the buyer saw that. There's a pretty big hole there. If this didn't have the damage, it'd be worth more, but I paid 80 cents for this shirt and it sold for $19 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $27.40, and after fees and shipping, I get $16.88. This is a shirt for when you have mass at 8:30 and a rodeo afterwards. This is a Cinch button-up shirt. Cinch is a decent Western brand. I paid 95 cents for this shirt and it sold for $20 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $27.62, and after fees and shipping, I get $16.87. This hat sold at the Jordan Paris, which I believe is like a soccer team. I paid 30 cents for this hat and it sold for $19.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $27.19, and after fees and shipping, I get $17.78. These Sam Edelman boots sold. I paid $2.60 for these boots, and they sold for $15.50 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $31.25, and after fees and shipping, I get $10.12. These Nikes sold. These are women's Nike Venture runners. I paid $6 for these shoes and they sold for $19.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $36.29, and after fees and shipping, I get $17.46. And this blow mold pumpkin sold. This is a 1995 Trendmasters. At my bins, the electronics are only 79 cents a pound, so I paid 47 cents for this, and it sold for $24.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $35 even, and after fees and shipping, I get $20.67. So I pack orders 3 days a week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. That way they can go out the following days. So that's 4 items per day, and I'm listing 5 per day. I've been on that for I think at least 3 weeks now, maybe a month. I don't remember when I started it, but it's going pretty good and I've been staying steady at it, and I'm going to keep it up. I do want to increase it, but I don't want to make a goal that I can't keep up with. So I may increase it to 6 a day and go from there, 7, and kind of so maybe the start of next month, maybe I'll do 6 for a month, 7 for a month, and just work my way up and find that spot that I can really be at and keep up with those numbers. And I've tried every listing goal. I started out just doing what I can when I can, and that still kind of sticks with me. It's hard for me just to keep a draft bank because I wanted to list everything at once, but I believe it does help the algorithm having daily listings. I've done quantity, number of listings as a daily goal, and I've done the amount by sales as like $100 goal, list $100 worth of things, and just settling on the daily amount, the number of items has worked out well for me. I don't count like sports cards. If I do sports cards, I'm in the mood to do them. That would be extra. I'd be going through them and listing them. But I don't think I'm going to list any sports cards anymore until I get an actual scanner to do a bunch at one time. So let me know in the comments below, what are your goals? Do you have listing goals? And how are you doing with them? Now let's break down these sales and see how much I really made. So with those items, I have a total of $216.31 in sales. After fees, I'm left with $121.97, minus the cost of goods, which was $19.22. That leaves me with $102.75. Take away 25% for taxes, which is $25.68. Then I'm left with $77.07. Put 20% back in the business, which is $15.40. Then I'm left with $61.67. With about 2 hours of work, that gives me an hourly rate after all the fees of $30.83. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. I hope these videos help a little bit so you see the breakdown of all the fees. If it does, please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friends, tell your mom, tell everybody. Catch you on the next one. God bless. Peace.